Vo calls this the biggest investment of her life.
I feel overwhelmed by joy.
The first-time homebuyer began her search 3 years ago, but quickly pushed pause.
Mortgage rate was unaffordable because I'm the single buyer.
But a cooling housing market, coupled with several interest rate cuts by the Bank of Canada, Vo stepped off the sidelines in the fall to take advantage of a buyer's market.
I feel like I have the bargaining power over the seller.
This in a market with built-up inventory in a year that saw condo sales plummet more than 20% amid economic uncertainty. And the latest stats from the Toronto Region Real Estate Board show that November was the 10th month in a row GTA home prices dropped year over year.
I would describe it as an uncertain year.
A trend that could continue in 2026, with Royal LePage forecasting GTA prices could drop as much as 4.5%. Meantime, RE/MAX is projecting more buyers, including first-timers, will get off the sidelines.
I think we will see an increase in volume. I think buyers who have been sitting on the sidelines will feel some sense of confidence that the market is at or near the bottom, and will want to capitalize on that before the market changes.
Experts like real estate agent Kaylee Heap say first-time buyers preparing to enter the market in 2026 must start their homework. That includes finding an agent, researching desired neighborhoods or condos, and mortgage pre-approvals.
If they're looking at the condo market, you're going to want to look at sort of the history of special assessments, what the status certificates look like.
If you are prepared, you have that stable job, you have your financing, we're coming off the heels of a lot of interest rate cuts. Who knows if that will continue to happen, and it's really hard to time the real estate market.
Robert Saunders is the CEO of online real estate law firm OwnRight, and he works closely with first-time homebuyers. A major oversight, he says, is the additional closing costs, including legal fees, insurance, home inspections, and land transfer taxes.
I think a lot of people are looking at the purchase price as the number that they have to pay for, but don't consider these other costs like tax, but even just things like adjustments for utilities, property taxes. These are all things that get finalized during the closing process.
Advice echoed by Vo, who was caught off guard by how much those costs tallied.
I look for different quotation from different lawyers, and don't feel shy to ask for clarification on the breakdown.
Mike Walker, CTV News.